AI knows humans, will it replace your job? Background, futuristic AI visuals, robots working, people using AI in offices and factor AI is learning faster than ever before. From writing emails to driving cars, AI is stepping into roles that once belonged to humans. But the big question is, will AI replace your job? Let's find out. How AI is already replacing jobs. Background, AI-powered customer service, self-checkout machines, automated factories. AI is already replacing jobs in several industries. Self-checkout machines are reducing the need for cashiers, AI-powered chatbots are handling customer service, and robotic arms are assembling cars faster than humans ever could. Cut 2, clips of AI-driven automation in different sectors, highlighting jobs being replaced. The pace of automation is only increasing, so which jobs are most at risk? On the top 5 jobs AI will replace by 2025. Background, list of high-risk jobs with AI alternatives. Let's break it down. Here are 5 jobs AI is most likely to replace soon. 1. Customer support representatives. Chatbots like ChatGPT are handling customer service faster and cheaper. 2. Data entry clerks. AI can process data more accurately than humans. 3. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout and AI-driven stores are eliminating the need for human cashiers. 4. Truck and taxi drivers. Self-driving technology is advancing rapidly. 5. Basic content writers. AI can generate articles, blogs, and even scripts in seconds. Cut 2, brief examples of AI performing these jobs effectively, but not all jobs are doomed. Some careers are AI-proof, let's explore those next. Jobs that AI can't fully replace. Background, professionals working in creative fields, healthcare, and hands-on industries. While AI is powerful, it has limitations. Here are some jobs that AI struggles to replace. 1. Creative professions, writers, artists, and musicians bring originality AI can't replicate. 2. Healthcare workers, AI can assist, but it lacks the human touch needed in medicine. 3. Skilled trades, jobs like electricians and plumbers require hands-on expertise AI doesn't have. 4. Teachers and educators, AI can provide information, but human mentorship is irreplaceable. 5. AI engineers and developers, the people building AI will always be in demand. Cut 2, experts discussing AI's limitations in these fields. Instead of fearing AI, we should learn how to work alongside it. How to future-proof your career. Background, people upskilling, learning AI tools, and adapting to new technology. The best way to survive the AI revolution is to adapt. Here's how you can stay ahead of the curve. 1. Learn AI and automation tools. Understanding AI will make you valuable in any industry. 2. Develop critical thinking and creativity. AI is great at logic, but humans excel at innovation. 3. Focus on people-centric skills. Leadership, empathy, and emotional intelligence will always be in demand. 4. Stay updated with technology. Continuous learning is key in a fast-changing world. Cut 2, examples of people successfully adapting to AI-driven changes in their careers. Background, AI and humans working together in harmony. AI isn't the enemy, it's a tool. The future isn't about AI versus humans, but AI working alongside humans. The question is, how will you adapt? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI and the future of work. See you in the next video. Outro music and subscribe Snip AI Animation.